This is part 7. This is it. This is the final video in this series. Can you believe it's already over? Golly, it just seems like yesterday we were talking about the A minor chord and how it's the main chord in this song. Wow. I couldn't find a digital graduation hat to give you so you can throw it up into the internet air, but you know, you can just do it in your own imagination. How about that? What's up? In this video, we're talking about the last ending, the classical gas. It's finally over. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for being on this ride with me. I had a great time. I hope that you did too. I hope that you got something out of the video. But this is it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What's up, y'all? In this video, we're talking about the last part 2 classical gas. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've liked this series, and please like this video as well as all the other videos. Comment if you have any questions about it. Subscribe for the other videos. Ding the little bell to get notified, and share this video series with your friends if you'd like to. I've made it in a playlist format, so that way you can just send the playlist over to somebody instead of sending them each individual video. That's a waste of time, but there's a playlist that sends all the videos over to them, and you can go ahead and get that done real fast. Maybe this would even be good for a group teaching. Maybe you spent a lot of time working on this. Maybe you can create a group class to do that in. There's not much I can do to get rid of these little window lines. I tried, but let's just get into the tutorial before more sun decides to leak through the windows. We're starting off on that part that we have already worked on. Except whenever we get up to the 7th fret, we slide back down to the 5th fret to the A note. And then we come down to a D chord. Now this is where it gets pretty interesting. We're hitting the low A string and then playing in arpeggio, kind of in arpeggio. We play the A string and then the D string, and then we pluck the E and B strings. Then we come up to the D string, and then do the same thing to a D sus chord. Then you come down to a G chord, however way you'd like to play that G chord. And then a C chord. So we've got then we play an F chord right here, doing the exact same progression. Then we come down to this A minor chord. Alright, so this A minor chord is kind of an A sus. This part right here was hard for me because we're playing each note. We're playing eighth notes right here. Okay, so the way we do this, we're basically hitting all of the and notes. So if you're counting, I've got my leg right here, I'm going up and down with. The and notes are whenever I bring my leg up, so watch this. It's not the best illustration, but I guess it works. Arpeggiating through it, then coming back down, going like that with both and, for, and. So back there you do play on the downbeats. Then you come up to this little shape right here, 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D string, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, keeping that sus sound. And then you come down to this A chord, and then hammering on with a finger to the second fret of the B string instead of the first, because it's no longer a minor chord, it's a major. We're happy, the song is over. And you can even play a little harmonic up here. Alright guys, that's it for part 7. I hope that you enjoyed this whole series. I hope that you've taken time to learn this song. It's such a great song to play. I'm telling you what, if you go out busking, and those of you who watch one of my latest live streams know what busking is. Busking's a lot of fun. Going out on the street and playing. If you do that, play this song. People would love it. They'd be like, oh, how are you doing that? It's so great. I actually want to go do it soon. It's almost winter time. Maybe I can do it in the spring, I don't know, I'll figure that out later. But thank you so much for watching this video. Like it, comment below if you have any questions, share it with your friends. Again, the playlist, share the playlist with your friends. That's it, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.